Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start finding altcoins with Binance, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Binance website. Log into your Binance account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up by following the prompts for registration. Once logged in, locate the top navigation bar. Hover over the Markets tab to view the drop-down menu. Select Spot Markets from the drop-down. In the Spot Markets section, you can find a list of available cryptocurrencies. Look for the search bar on the page. Type altcoin or the specific name of the altcoin you're interested in. Review the search results for the desired altcoin. Click on the altcoin to access its market page. Here, you'll find details such as price charts, trading volume, and recent performance. To start trading, locate the Trade button, typically found on the right side of the page. Click on Trade to open the trading interface. Choose your trading pair, such as USDT or BTC, in the Trading drop-down menu. You will see different options for placing your order, such as Market Order and Limit Order. Select the type of order you prefer based on your trading strategy. Enter the amount of altcoin you wish to buy or sell in the order input field. Review the transaction details to ensure they are correct. Click Buy or Sell depending on your action. After placing your order, monitor your open orders in the Open Orders section. If your order is filled, check your wallet balance for the newly acquired altcoins. To further research altcoins, utilize Binance educational resources. Explore the Academy section for articles and guides on specific altcoins and market trends. Consider joining discussions in cryptocurrency forums to hear from other traders. Keep an eye on altcoin market trends and news through reputable sources. Regularly check your portfolio and adjust your strategy based on market performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.